Stop uploading large, messy PDFs to ChatGPT or Gemini. They have upload limits, and they can't actually edit your files. If you want to summarize, translate, and actually edit your PDFs in one professional workspace, you need UPDF. It's powered by GPT-5 and works across all your devices. Let's see how it transforms your workflow.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching gurrutechsolutions.
Now let's open a PDF file. As you can see, this document contains more than 300 pages. Most people would simply upload a PDF like this to ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or NotebookLM and ask for a summary. While these AI tools are excellent for answering questions and generating content, they're not always the best choice for PDF-heavy work. First, let's try using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, or you can use any AI chatbot such as Claude or Gemini, according to your preference. For this demonstration, I'll use ChatGPT. First of all, I'll upload the PDF file and click Open. Once the PDF is uploaded successfully, I'll type, "Summarize this PDF file," and then press Enter. ChatGPT will take a few seconds to analyze and summarize the document. As you can see, the summary is ready. However, that's not enough. We still can't edit the PDF, highlight important text, perform OCR on scanned documents, organize pages, generate mind maps, or convert the PDF into editable Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files. That's where a dedicated AI PDF workspace comes in. Now, let's open a new tab and search for UPDF. Click on the very first link. I'll also provide the link in the description of this video. UPDF is a next-generation AI-powered PDF editor that lets you edit, annotate, organize, compress, convert, and chat with PDFs in one place. Unlike general AI chatbots, UPDF is designed specifically for PDF-heavy workflows. It is powered by GPT-5, making it easy to summarize, translate, explain, and interact with your documents while giving you complete control over your PDF files. You can download UPDF for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, and your work syncs across all your devices with one account. Now, let's download and install UPDF. Once the installation is complete, open the application. Click on Open File, select the same PDF file, and click Open. As you can see, our PDF containing more than 300 pages is now opened successfully. Unlike general AI chatbots, UPDF gives us complete editing tools. We can highlight important text, underline it, strike it through, insert new text, replace existing text, add comments, insert text boxes, attach files, add stickers, stamps, and electronic signatures, all directly inside the PDF. Now, let's highlight an important paragraph. Simply select the highlight tool and drag over the text. Instantly, the selected text is highlighted. We can also change the highlight color according to our needs. Next, let's insert some text. I'll click on the text tool and type "Importance of Bitcoin and Future Prediction." We can easily change the text color, font style, font size, and other formatting options. This makes editing PDFs simple and professional. We can also insert attachments, stickers, stamps, and signatures, features that are completely missing from general AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Now, let's explore the AI features. Click on Chat PDF. Here we can choose our preferred language and start chatting with the document. There are also suggested questions available, or we can ask our own. This time, I'll type, "Summarize this PDF file," and press Enter. UPDF AI, powered by GPT-5, will start analyzing the document and generate a detailed summary. Within a few seconds, we receive an easy-to-understand summary without leaving our PDF workspace. Besides summarizing, we can also ask UPDF AI to explain difficult concepts, translate paragraphs, answer questions, and help us understand lengthy documents much faster. Now, let's generate a mind map. Click on Mind Map, choose the page range, and then click Generate. Within a few moments, UPDF creates a beautiful visual mind map of the selected pages. Once it's ready, we can export it, download it as an image or PDF, open it in our browser, or share it with others. Let's download it as an image. As you can see, the generated mind map is clear, well-structured, and makes understanding complex information much easier. Now, let's translate our PDF. Click on Translate, select the pages you want to translate, choose your target language. For this demonstration, I'll select Dutch, and click Translate. Within a few seconds, UPDF translates the selected pages into Dutch. This feature is extremely useful for students, researchers, teachers, and professionals working with multilingual documents. Next, let's convert our PDF into an editable format. Click on Tools. Here, we can convert PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images, and many other formats. I'll choose Convert to Word, select the page range, and click Apply. After a few seconds, the conversion is complete. Our PDF is now a fully editable Word document while preserving its formatting. On the right side, you'll also find powerful AI tools, including AI Translate, AI Summary, AI Explain, AI Chat, AI Bookmark Generator, and Deep Research, making UPDF a complete AI PDF workspace. Let's look at the page management tools. Click on Tools. Here, we can insert blank pages, extract pages, replace pages, rotate pages, crop pages, merge PDFs, split PDFs, and compress PDF files. For example, let's split this 300-page PDF. Click Split by Page Number. I'll enter 100 pages, then click Split. UPDF instantly divides the large document into 4 separate PDF files, each containing up to 100 pages. This makes large PDF files much easier to manage and share. As you can see, everything is organized perfectly. Instead of uploading large PDFs to ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or other AI chatbots, use UPDF whenever you're working with PDF files. It combines AI-powered understanding with professional PDF editing tools, all in one application. I'll provide the download link in the description below. Try it for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to Guru Tech Solutions for more updates on the latest AI tools and AI productivity software.